Babies don't keep, y'all, but their clothes, well, those can stand the test of time. That's right, this little cutie you see here in her favorite lounge set at age 4, well, now she's a teenager, but she's rocking the same Luna loungewear pattern. But now it's leveled up with a little bit of faux piping magic. And lucky for you, today's the day to grab this timeless collection because the pattern's only $5 for Feature Friday, and it comes in sizing from 2T all the way up to ladies 5X. So let's make lounge sets that last because kids may grow up fast, but great patterns are forever. All right, let's get into it. It's time to take your Luna loungewear up a notch with some fancy pants faux piping. Fear not, even if your most advanced sewing skill is just threading a needle, this is gonna be easy for everybody. So let's get started. So we've already cut out our Luna capris or shorts, and we've taken about an inch from the length because we're gonna be adding the trim, which is gonna be the star of the show on these bottoms. So first grab 2 front and 2 back leg pieces. And you're gonna sew them together at the side seam. Next, this is the wow factor. Take a strip of trim. In this case, Rachel's using cotton lycra because it's gonna be as stretchy as the main fabric. Then she's cut it to 1 inch wide and long enough to fit around the pant leg opening, and that'll be different for every size. Now, clip that trim to your pant leg with all of the raw edges facing exactly the same way. Now we're gonna make a sandwich with these, except instead of peanut butter and jelly, we've got the pant leg, then the piping, and then a folded hem band. So your hem band should be cut 2.5 inches wide by whatever the width of the leg is. You're gonna layer that hem band right on top of your piping. Now we're gonna sew along the edge with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, unfold everything and boom, you've got that piping perfectly sandwiched in between your hem and your pant leg, like it was just made to be there. So press that seam allowance up, trim the hem band down if you want to, and if you're feeling fancy, go ahead and give it a top stitch. So remember our little Luna loungewear model from earlier? Time sure does fly, but can you believe she is still willingly wearing the same pattern? It's just in adult sizing now. And this is the great part about sewing. While babies don't keep, these PDF sewing patterns can grow with us, from toddlerhood all the way to retirement. And with sweet details like this faux piping, you can create classic and special pieces that last. Time might get the best of us, but with patterns like the Luna Loungewear collection, your sewing projects will definitely stand the test of time. Make sure to get the pattern today for just $5. It's Feature Friday, and this is a one-day only deal. The pattern is available for both kids sizing and adult sizing. And don't forget to check out all of the resources that we have available at lovenotions.com.